Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for coming back to the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. If you're back, welcome back. Give me that thumbs up, so put a big smile on my face and we can share this with the community and we can help this channel grow. I'd greatly appreciate it. Today I have an amazing video for you. We're going to talk about the NIO stock. Some big news that just came out, and it's going to be a big catalyst to move the stock price of NIO sky high. I think you're going to really like this video. Let's check it out. So this is the NIO ES8. It's its luxury SUV. The NIO has just gotten a big approval by the European Union to have its vehicles sold in the European Union countries. This is big news because NIO was once just a Chinese automaker for electric vehicles. However, this is no longer. NIO now will be extending globally. It will be going to the European Union, which will start with NIO Norway in Oslo, Norway, which will start in Q3 of this year in September. This is big news for NIO just because the volume of sales will just astronomically go up, and this could actually double the stock and the stock predictions. Let's take a look at this article. It says that NIO announced that it has received the European Whole Vehicle Type Approval, the EWVTA. Now this is very important because what it does is it allows any automaker to sell vehicles and get their license plate and registration in all European countries. This is just the beginning for NIO to move forward into globally expanding all over the world. Europe has a huge market through all the European countries, and this is a big step for NIO as a company. NIO has announced that it will be launching its first NIO vehicle, as I mentioned before, the ES8, and it will have its battery swap station in Norway. It's going to have 4 different dealerships and 4 different areas where you can purchase NIO, starting with Oslo in September. This article goes on to mention that NIO will have direct sales and a service network in the European Union, which includes their NIO House, their NIO app for European users, and its battery swap stations and NIO Life services. This article says that during the first 5 months of the year 2021, NIO has sold some 7,451 ES8s in China. So we're guessing that even a few thousand sold initially in Europe would be an important boost for the company. Guys, this is huge news for NIO and any NIO investor. As we can see in this article by Investor Place, NIO is now set to outperform its big brother Tesla, and it's big time. Tesla has been the poster child of the EV revolution, and NIO, on the other hand, has always been its little brother stuck living in its shadows. But now the little brother is taking the reins and driving and leaving the EV charge, and NIO stock is beginning to reflect this shift in dynamics. We'll take a look at the NIO stock as it has been performing, but over the past month, NIO stock has been up 33% versus Tesla stock has been over the same period down about 3%. And this is a huge amount of performance that's never happened before, where NIO is substantially and significantly outperforming Tesla. And more specifically, the fundamentals underlying NIO are dramatically improving while they are simply flatlining over at Tesla. This is very great news for NIO because it has been producing its NIO vehicles even during the chip shortage, and it has met its delivery numbers, and they maintain that overall their Q2 delivery target, which will be a huge upswing in June deliveries, about 15%. As I mentioned, this is big that NIO received the new license deal in the European Union, and this license enables NIO to start selling cars in Europe very soon. The first deliveries are expected to happen in September in Norway, and NIO is already embracing its audience in Norway, because the dealers are having floodgates are opening soon to the rest of the European market. A big part of this bull thesis for NIO is that it's not just a Chinese EV company. It's now a global EV company, just like Tesla has reached out and expanded globally. The bottom line for the NIO stock is that its early success in the next 6 to 12 months will validate that NIO will be one of the big global EV markets, and it's going to push the NIO stock significantly higher. Overall, NIO has been dramatically improving by producing its vehicles, and don't forget its customer service. NIO still has its battery as a service technology where you can change out your batteries at any time, either to recharge it, or you can also upgrade the battery in your vehicle. You can have a 75 kilowatt battery, and let's say in the next few months or in a year you wanted to upgrade that to one of the 100 kilowatt batteries and have a longer range, you can definitely do that instead of trading and selling your car. That's one of the big things I think that differentiates NIO from all other EV companies. It's the only company in the world where you can switch out batteries. This is big because it uses a monthly subscription to raise revenue that you can switch out batteries at any time. Also, if you live in a congested neighborhood or a congested area where there's not a lot of charging stations, or if you cannot charge your own vehicle at your own house, you can just go to these battery stations. In less than 3 minutes, you can swap out your battery for a brand new, fresh 100% battery. Now let's take a look at NIO's stock price. In the past year, NIO has increased a whopping 568% in the past year. It has grown from a low of $6.83 all the way up to a high of $62, and now you can get in at $45.68. If we look in the past 6 months, NIO has been up 11%, and that's including the big crash that we've had in the electric vehicle market and the technology sector, where we went from a high on February 9th all the way to 44% low in March 8th. Since then, we've been trading sideways, but lately, as of May 14th, in the past month, we have seen a very beautiful increase. And if we look at this chart, you can see that we've been up about 37% for the past month alone. The line of regression is growing, and as you can see that I think we're starting our next bull run in NIO. The big news came out when NIO got approval to sell in Europe just this past Friday. As soon as the news came out at 9 o'clock in the morning, you can see that the stock took a huge increase of over 9% that it was trading during that day. I think NIO still has a lot of room to grow, and definitely I'm really looking forward to this stock in the future. By the end of this year, I believe we should hit anywhere from $80 to $100, and that's the next thing I wanted to talk about. Let's see what the analysts have to say and where their price predictions are. According to TipRanks, 8 analysts reviewed NIO's stock price, and 8 gave it a strong buy, 0 hold, and 0 sell. This gives NIO a 35.5% upside from here, which on average the analysts give it a $62 price target in the next 12 months. However, I think we're going to go way beyond this because this does not take into account NIO's global expansion and the doubling of their production through the JAQ, their Chinese-based production company that says they're going to start making double the volume of vehicles in the next year starting in 2022. However, at the end of this year, I believe that we should definitely get close to the $80 mark, but these analysts give it a high of $81 in the next 12 months. According to Wallet Investor, NIO's 1-year forecast is an average of $83, and its 5-year forecast is $242. And again, this is not including the new news that NIO is going global. I really think that it would be easy to say that in 5 years we can hit the $300 mark, if not a little bit more, and 10 times your money in this stock. I think NIO is a great company and it has a great potential to succeed, especially now that it's moving on to the European market and it's going globally. NIO is a very strong company that's orientated on consumer and customer satisfaction. If you look on the NIO's website, they do offer incredible warranties that are lifetime. They do offer lifetime battery charging and services. If you have any problems with the vehicle, they will come to your house and they will fix it. NIO also has the battery as a service technology where you can always upgrade or exchange your battery for a brand new fresh battery. You can, for example, go from a 75 kilowatt battery to a 100 kilowatt battery in the same car without having to trade it in or selling your car. It's an amazing concept, and its innovative technology is what's going to make NIO excel. NIO has big plans for the future by making its ET7, which is its first luxury NIO vehicle that will be competing against Tesla Model S and Lucid, and they're going to be coming out next year. Also, NIO has a codename Gemini, which will be a NIO luxury lineup that's going to be coming out shortly. I have really big expectations to NIO. I think it's going to be an amazing stock to buy. I think that if you can get this under $40, it's a steal of a deal. If you can get this now at $45 that it's trading, or less than $45, I think it's a huge buy. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get all my videos. And please, let's share this video with others. Share it with your friends, share it with your neighbors and your family members so we can get this video and get this channel to reach others. Give me that thumbs up to put a big smile on my face and share this video with others. If you would like to help out the channel, if you click on the link below, it'll take you to Webull. If you deposit $100, it'll give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you click on Coinbase and deposit $100, it'll give you $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.